Did I do it? Oh, what is this? What's with all the neon?
This is the part where you lose.
Ratchet, the Dimensionator. Ratchet? Oh dear, my arm. And no, the Dimensionator, it... What have I done?
What have you done?
Who are you?
Someone with a lot of questions. Let's go for a ride.
Yeah. Wait, I have to find my friend.
Hi? It's me? It's me! It worked! It worked! I am the winner!
Emperor Nefarious, you have returned early from your conquest.
Yes, Emperor!
Oh. Clank? Clank? A Wombax? What is this place?
Where are you, Clank? Maybe someone around here has seen him. Have any of you seen a little gray robot anywhere? Green eyes, red antennas, very charming? Please let there be good news behind here.
Welcome to the Nefarious City Bazaar. Please remember to thank our marvelous Emperor before, during, and after making your purchase.
Emperor? Does that mean there are two Nefariouses now? Clank first, Nefarious later. Maybe he's in this bazaar.
Wait a second.
You forgot your order? Well, come right in. Miss Zircon will sell you weapons, but you gotta be less conspicuous, or the resistance will not last.
The Resistance?
Oh, apologies, sugar. Miss Zircon is still new to all of this espionage.
Release the hostage!
Clank! No. I need to go after that ship. How can I get off planet?
It's a test. Only royal starships are allowed to leave. Anything else? No. The Phantom can help. Just follow the beat to Club Nefarious and you will find him.
Club Nefarious, got it. Oh, and nice work, Secret Agent Zircon.
This is so exciting.
What's Club Nefarious gonna sound like?
Look at the cat dragged in.
Hello, Nefarious City! I just want to let you all know that you
Oh, great. That sounds like a club, all right.
Remember, drinks are half price with your Club Nefarious membership card.
Come on, Phantom, where are you? Hi, yeah, are you the Phantom?
I am whatever you want me to.
Is there a Phantom around here?
Only a dancing machine. Watch out now.
Resistance alert! Resistance alert!
Can't believe. First mission in forever and my cover's blown.
Phantom? Is Skid?
Better take care of these guys or they'll go after Phantom too. That had to be Phantom, right? Mysterious dude in a hollow guise? That had to be Phantom. Phantom, wait!
Where are you? I was just in the middle of a mission.
I'm Ratchet. I heard you were...
No names. Gotta be smarter than that if you want to join the Resistance, new guy.
Why does everyone think I'm with the Resistance?
You know what they say. Happy Emperor, happy Trooper.
There! The Resistance leads from the club.
No.
My friend! I'm here, new guy. Come on. This will only hurt for a moment.
Will you please stop running? Is this some kind of test? It is, isn't it? Hey, wait. Hey, wait.
There he is. The football from the club.
Oh boy.
I'll handle this, Phantom. You just get to safety.
The Resistance club. Resistance and here.
We'll get you. I am still coming.
Where'd you go?
Nice work, new guy.
Thanks. What is this? Some kind of secret handshake? Hey! What do I do with it?
All right, new guy. Try out the Phantom Dash.
Phantom Dash?
Enemy can't catch what doesn't temporarily exist. Jump and Phantom Dash. The glove handles the rest. Ah! Don't be scared. Use the glove to run along those panels. You want to go even further? Jump and Phantom Dash.
I need a royal starship to find my friend. I heard you know where to get one.
Shh, it's not safe here. Just stay close. You want to go even further? Jump and Phantom Dash.
I need a royal starship to find my friend. I heard you know where to get one.
Shh, it's not safe here. Just stay close.
Can you get a royal starship or not?
Wombaxes. You are just as stubborn as she is.
Wait, you know that other Wombax? Where did she go?
Sargasso. She always goes there after a mission.
Sargasso.
I'll make you a deal. You see that blimp? You help me take control of it, and I'll help you get into Nefarious Tower. It's the only place in the city you're gonna find a royal starship.
What's so special about the blimp?
Just find a way up to that rooftop. I gotta grab my gear. But I'll meet you up there.
Rooftop? How do I get to that rooftop? I'm coming, Clank. Just hang on.
What a lovely day.
I do not require additional input.
Hold on, honey. Are you headed to the roof? You should use that raritanium in your pockets to upgrade your arsenal first. Oh, you are getting it. See? Why settle for a good weapon when you can make it magnificent? Enhancements incoming! No need to buy that again. Nice mod, huh? Make sure to tell
Thanks
your
again for the help,
friends
Secret
now.
Agent Zircon.
Good luck up there. And Miss Zircon was never here.
Seriously? Oh, we gotta come back sometime.
So you made it after all. Impressive.
Wait, you can see me? Where are you? You got my starship ready?
You'll get it, don't you worry. I just need you to help me with one last threat. The Nefarious Day Spa. If you can distract these troopers, I'll hack Nefarious' propaganda blimp and give this city a message it'll never forget.
It's easy enough.
Citizens of Nefarious City, this is the voice of the resistance. This is the voice of truth. And the truth is, we need to talk. The resistance, the growing collection of citizens who are sick and tired of your diabolical dictatorship.
Yeah. First they come for our local music scene. Now our song. Thanks for missing anything vital.
You're on television.
Physical violence is against Farouk.
System recovery.
The logo has an enforcer.
Teleporting. These can be awesome too. You will see.
Engage the 3D immediately, Longer.
You know what? Forget the code. Actions speak louder than words.
Finally! Nefarious Tower, here I come!
Wow, where'd you learn how to Looks like I touched a nerve. All right, deal's a deal. That's Glitch. She'll help you get onto the Emperor's private shuttle to the tower. Access console's in that huge statue of Nefarious in the center of the city. Just hook her up, and she'll handle the rest.
What are you doing?
Tearing this whole rotten world down from the inside.
Huh?
Stay strong, brother!
How do you expect me to get to the Bazaar from here? That'll work. All right, all I gotta do now, whoa, this is fast, is head to the statue, use Glitch, get a starship, and then find Clank on Sargasso. I'm on my way, buddy. Just hang in there for a little bit longer.